Hello everyone, my name is Rajan and you're watching me on your YouTube channel Let's Master English. In today's video, we are going to learn and practice more than 50 sentences in this video. These sentences are very important and very useful when it comes to speak in English. By practicing these sentences, you can have a good command on usage of it. Okay, so in this video, I am going to speak a Hindi sentence, then I will translate it into English by writing it on the screen. And at the end of the video, I will speak out all the Hindi sentences for you to practice by yourself. Okay, if you want to improve your English, so you can do the same with me. So let's start with the very first sentence. I will speak one Hindi sentence, then I will translate. Okay. So let's start this video. We have the first sentence. 5 दिन लगेंगे. 5 दिन लगेंगे. So you will say it will take 5 days. It will take 5 days. It will take 5 days. Okay. When I'm writing these sentences, make sure you're writing as well. Okay. Sit with a pen and paper. Okay. And do the same as I am doing. Okay. 6 साल लगेंगे. इसको हम कह सकते हैं it will take 6 years. It will take 6 years. It will take 6 years. Okay. आज सोमवार नहीं है. It is not Monday today. It is not Monday today. It is not Monday today. Okay. कल छुट्टी थी. कल छुट्टी थी. It was off yesterday. Okay. It was off yesterday. Okay. I'm going with a normal speed. Okay. So that it will be easier for you to practice with me. Okay. राम को बहुत समय लगा. राम को बहुत समय लगा. Ram took, we will say Ram took a long. Okay. Ram took a long, or we can say Ram took lots of time. Ram took Ram took lots of time. Lots of time. Ram took lots of time. Okay. बारिश कब होगी? बारिश कब होगी? When will it rain? When will it rain? Will it rain? When will it rain? बारिश कब होगी? Okay. क्या बारिश हो रही होगी? क्या बारिश हो रही होगी? Will it be raining? Will it be raining? Will it be raining? Will it be raining? Okay. आज बारिश होगी. आज बारिश होगी. It will rain today. It will rain today. It will rain today. आज बारिश होगी. ओके. कल बारिश हुई थी. It had rained yesterday. It had rained yesterday. Okay. It had rained yesterday. It had rained yesterday. Okay. कल ओले पड़े थे. We can say it had hailed yesterday. कल ओले पड़े थे. ओले पड़ने को हम कहते हैं hail. Hail. Okay. आज ओले पड़ेंगे. It will hail today. We can say it will hail today. It will hail today. It will hail today. Okay. परसों ओले पड़ेंगे. It will hail day after tomorrow. It will hail day after tomorrow. It will hail day after tomorrow. Okay. Now let's translate another sentence. परसों ओले पड़े थे. It had hailed day before yesterday. It had hailed day before yesterday. ओके. बीता हुआ परसों को डे बिफोर यस्टरडे कहते हैं और आने वाले को कहते हैं, आने वाला जो परसों है उसको हम कहते हैं डे आफ्टर टुमारो. ओके. परसों छुट्टी थी. इट वॉज हॉलीडे डे बिफोर यस्टरडे. इट वॉज हॉलीडे और इट वॉज ऑफ डे बिफोर yesterday. It was holiday day before yesterday. Okay. Now let's go for the next one. परसों छुट्टी होगी. It will be holiday day after tomorrow. Okay. It will be holiday day after tomorrow. It will be holiday day after tomorrow. Okay. 2 मिनट लगते हैं. 2 मिनट लगते हैं. It takes 2 minutes. It takes 2 minutes. It takes 2 minutes. It takes 2 minutes. Okay. 2 मिनट लग रहे हैं. It is taking 2 minutes. 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 Okay. 2 मिनट लगे हैं. 2 मिनट लगे हैं. It has taken 2 minutes. It has taken 2 minutes. It has taken 2 minutes. 2 मिनट लगे हैं. 2 मिनट लगे. It took 2 minutes. It took 2 minutes. It took 2 minutes. Okay. 2 मिनट लग रहे थे. It was taking 2 minutes. 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 Okay. 2 मिनट लगे थे. 2 मिनट लगे थे. We can say it had taken 2 minutes. It had taken 2 minutes. It had taken 2 minutes. Okay. 2 मिनट लगे थे. 2 मिनट लगेंगे. It will take 2 minutes. It will take 2 minutes. It will take 2 minutes. Okay. 2 मिनट लगेंगे. It will take 2 minutes. Okay. मुझे 2 मिनट लगेंगे. It will take me 2 minutes. It will take me 2 minutes. It will take me 2 minutes, or we can say it will take 2 minutes to me. It will take 2 minutes. 2 मिनट लगेंगे. It will take 2 minutes. किसे लगेंगे? मुझे. To me. It will take 2 minutes to me, or we can say it will take me 2 minutes. It will take me 2 minutes. Both are correct. Okay. अब तुम्हारी बारी है. अब तुम्हारी बारी है. It's your turn now. It is your turn now. It is your turn now, or we can say it's your turn now. Okay. uh, यह तुम्हारा प्यार है. This is your love. This is your love, or we can say it is your love. It is your love. Okay. Let's translate the another one. Okay. यह क्या है? What is it? What is it? Or we can say, what is this? What is this? What is this? ये क्या है? What is this? Okay. 2 दिन हो गए हैं. It has been 2 days. 2 days. It has been 2 days. Okay. It had been. It has been 2 days. Okay. 2 दिन हो गए because we are talking about present. So that's why I have put here has. It has been 2 days. Okay. 2 दिन हो गए हैं. Let's translate the another one. 2 दिन हो गए थे. Okay. It had it had been 2 days. It had been 2 days. It had been 2 days. मुझे 2 दिन हो गए थे. It had been 2 days to me. It had been 2 days. It had been 2 days to me. मुझे 2 दिन हो गए थे. It had been 2 days to me. क्या कल छुट्टी थी? Was it holiday yesterday? Was it? Was it holiday? Was it holiday yesterday? Or we can say, was it off yesterday? Was it off yesterday? Was it off yesterday? Okay. उसे कितना समय लगेगा? उसे कितना समय लगेगा? How much time will it take? How much time will he take? How much time will he take? उसे कितना समय लगेगा? How much time will he take? Now let's translate the another one. तुम्हें कितना समय लगता है? How much time do you take? How much time do you take? How much time do you take? Okay. आज ओले पड़ने थे. आज ओले पड़ने थे. It had to hail today. It had to hail today. Let me write it here. It had to hail today. It had to hail today. It had to hail today. Okay. आज ओले पड़ सकते हैं. आज ओले पड़ सकते हैं. It may hail today. It may hail today. It may hail today. आज ओले पड़ सकते हैं. ओके. क्या देहरादून में बारिश हुई? क्या देहरादून में बारिश हुई? Did it rain in Dehradun? Did it rain in Dehradun? Did it rain in Dehradun? ओके. बारिश क्यों होती है? Why does it rain? ओके. Why does it rain? Why does it rain? बारिश क्यों होती है? Why does it rain? ओके, यह प्यार है, इट इज लव, इट इज लव, और वी कैन से दिस इज लव, दिस इज लव, दिस इज लव। ओके, यह एक कुर्सी है, इट इज अ चेयर, इट इज अ chair, it is a chair, or we can say this is a chair, this is a chair, this is a chair। Okay, now let's translate। तुम कितना समय लोगे? How much time will you take? How much time will you take? How much time will you take? तुम कितना समय लोगे? How much time will you take? Okay, मैं 10 मिनट लूंगा। I will take 10 minutes। I will take 10 minutes। I will take 10 minutes। ओके, उस दिन क्या था? उस दिन क्या था? What was on that day? What was it on that day? Okay, that is better। What was it? What was it on that day? On that day। What was it on that day? So अंधेरा हो रहा। It is getting dark। It is getting dark। It is getting dark। ओके, उसमें उमस हो रही है। इट इज गेटिंग ह्यूमिड। उमस हो रही है। इट इज गेटिंग ह्यूमिड। ओके, इट इज गेटिंग ह्यूमिड। यह मेरी ख्वाहिश है। इट्स माई विल। इट्स माई विल। इट्स माई विल। यह मेरी ख्वाहिश है। ओके, वहाँ बहुत बारिश होती है। वहाँ बहुत बारिश होती है। इट रेन्स अ लॉट देयर। इट रेन्स a lot there। It rains a lot there। Okay, lot, lot there। It rains a lot there। Okay, आज बारिश हो सकती है। It may rain today। Rain today। It may rain today, or we can say it can rain today। It can rain today। Okay, if you are talking about possibility, then you can use may। It may rain today। Okay, but if it has the ability to rain, so you can use can। Okay, now let's आज बारिश होनी है। It has to rain today। It has to rain today. It has to rain today. Okay. आज बारिश होनी है. It has to rain today. Okay. आज बारिश होनी थी. It had to rain today. It had to rain today. It had to rain today. ये तुम्हारी सोच है. It is your thinking. It is your thinking. It is your thinking, or we can say this is your thinking, or we can say it is your mindset. Okay, let me write it here. It is your mind set, or this is your mindset. This is your mindset. ये किसका पेन है? Whose pen is this? Whose pen? Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? Or we can say whose pen is it? Whose pen is it? Whose pen is it? Whose pen is it? Okay, getting my point? इसकी कीमत 5 रुपया है. It's for 5 rupees. It's it's for it is for 5 rupees. It is for 5 rupees. Okay, or we can say it costs 5 rupees. It costs 5 rupees. It costs 5 rupees. Okay. Now let's go for the next one. क्या आज सोमवार है? Is it Monday today? Is it Monday today? Is it Monday? Is it Monday today? क्या आज सोमवार है? Is it Monday today? Okay. यहाँ बारिश हो रही है. It is raining here. It is raining here. It is raining here. Okay. कितना समय हो गया है? कितना समय हो गया? How long has it been? कितना समय हो गया? How long has it been? How long has it been? Okay, कितना समय हो गया? क्या कल बारिश होगी? Will it rain tomorrow? Will it rain tomorrow? Will it rain tomorrow? मुझे 2 घंटे लगे. मुझे 2 घंटे लगे. It took me 2 hours. It took me 2 hours. Hours. It took me 2 hours, or we can say it took 2 hours to me. It took 2 hours to me. It took 2 hours to me. Okay, we are done for all the sentences. Now let's speak uh, all the sentences for you. Uh, so let's go with the very first sentence. 5 दिन लगेंगे, 6 साल लगे, आज सोमवार नहीं है, कल छुट्टी थी, राम को बहुत समय लगा, बारिश कब होगी? क्या बारिश होगी? क्या बारिश हो रही होगी? आज बारिश होगी। कल बारिश हुई थी, कल ओले पड़े थे, आज ओले पड़ेंगे, परसों ओले पड़ेंगे, परसों ओले पड़े थे, परसों छुट्टी थी, परसों छुट्टी होगी, 2 मिनट लगते हैं, 2 मिनट लग रहे हैं, 2 मिनट लगे, 2 मिनट लगे हैं, 2 मिनट लगे हैं। ओके, 2 मिनट लग रहे थे, 2 मिनट लगे थे। ओके, 2 मिनट लगेंगे, मुझे 2 मिनट लगेंगे, अब तुम्हारी बारी है, यह तुम्हारा प्यार है। ओके, यह तुम्हारा प्यार है, यह क्या है? 2 दिन हो गए हैं। ओके, 2 दिन हो गए थे, मुझे 2 दिन हो गए थे। ओके, क्या कल छुट्टी थी? उसे कितना समय लगेगा? तुम्हें कितना समय लगता है? आज ओले पड़ने थे, आज ओले पड़ सकते हैं। क्या देहरादून में बारिश हुई? ओके, बारिश क्यों होती है? यह प्यार है, यह एक कुर्सी है। तुम कितना समय लोगे? मैं 10 मिनट लूंगा। उस दिन क्या था? अंधेरा हो रहा है, उमस हो रही है, यह मेरी ख्वाहिश है। वहां बहुत बारिश होती है, आज बारिश बारिश हो सकती है, आज बारिश होनी है, आज बारिश होनी थी। ये तुम्हारी सोच है। ये किसका पेन है? इसकी कीमत 5 रुपया है। क्या आज सोमवार है? यहाँ बारिश हो रही है, वहां ओले पड़ रहे थे। ओके, कितना समय हो गया है? क्या कल बारिश होगी? मुझे 2 घंटे लगे। ओके, I spoke out all the Hindi sentences for you to practice by yourself at home. Okay, so if you want to improve your English, please consider practicing these sentences. Okay, there is only this way for the beginners to improve their English. Okay, so trust the process and begin it. Begin the journey of yours. Okay, definitely you will improve your English. Okay, and one day you will be fluent. So let's sum up this video. Keep learning and keep getting better.